engine stall. Alert. Low altitude warning.
Echo 2. Come in, Echo 2. This is Sky Eye. Please respond. You slipped into a dive, losing altitude fast. Are you there, Echo 2? Do you copy? Echo 2, can you hear me? You've got to pull up.
Alert. Low altitude warning. Emergency adrenaline booster activating. Force adrenal gland stimulation in 3, 2, 1.
What?
Echo 2, do you copy? You need to pull up.
Oh shit. Engine's dead. I'm falling. Come on, start.
Engine starter engaged.
Back in business.
When the ground is racing up to meet you and there's only seconds left before you're a smoking hole, gut reaction is to pull up. Hard. Put serious distance between you and below.
Come on. Gently. Gently.
The trick is to fight that urge. Pull too hard, and your engine stalls.
Gently now. Keep her steady.
Pull too hard, and you're dead. The trick is to ease into a climb. Aim low, and miss the ground by just a sliver.
Sweet Jesus, Echo 2, you did it! I was sure we'd lost you!
Copy that. Now where are those hostiles, Sky Eye? I need vectors and headings. Now!
The Draco that thumped you just flew past your position, 205 degrees for 85. Looks like he's moving to circle back on you from the west.
Roger that. Got him on my scope.
AIM-9X air-to-air missiles armed.
Moving to engage.
Solid copy, Echo 2. The second hostile is at Vector.
Sky Eye continues to rasp in my ear. Vectors, closure rates, the second Draco's position. All unnecessary. The moment my prey slides into the bore sight, I know exactly where the second MiG is. Cruising at high alpha, riding my 6, angling to drop me with a missile.
Echo 2, that second bandit is on you. Get out of there.
Hear you loud and clear, Sky Eye. Still taking the shot.
Target locked.
60 seconds. That's all I've got. 60 seconds to react. 60 seconds to strike.
Fox 2, missile away.
60 seconds to kill my target before his wingman tries to take me down.
Flash 1, he's down. He's down. Nice shooting, Echo 2. Now get the fuck out of there before that second bandit on your ass kills you.
Taking evasive maneuvers.